Pirating Studio. The story is like that. My friend's air conditioner suddenly won't be cold. And then, of course, I go check. There is something interesting. Look at this air conditioner. It seems works normal, can blow cold air, but unable to cool the room. In addition, the condenser temperature is high, and there's too little air. In such a situation, people may scrap this air conditioner. But there are something incredible. Maybe you can get it working again for just $1.
What?
Don't be surprised. It's true. Open the cover. There are missing screws. It's not difficult. Just loosen the screws. Then you can remove the cover. Wow, it's amazing. The evaporator is so beautiful. How clean it is. In fixed frequency air conditioner, indoor and outdoor fans are mounted in the same motor. So if the indoor and outdoor air volume is small at the same time, I believe the motor is broken. At least the capacitor is a failure. Maybe fix it just for $1. If we are lucky, the faulty part is capacitor. Take the air conditioner down and check it right now. The work is unplanned, so it can only be taken with a phone. But Pirating is still working hard. There's a little problem. I can't find that capacitor. Will it be in this case? In fact, this is my first time to do it. No professional feel at all. Oh yes, I found it. Look here, you must remember the connector location, or get in trouble. It says 3.5 microfarad. The measure value is 0.13 microfarads. Okay, it's the problem. We got it. Hey, Pirating, the capacitor is broken. That's right. This is a common problem. The motor speed too low due to the capacitor broken. We have shared before. One-way AC motors are the same. A capacitor is required to generate a magnetic declination. Oh, I see. All we have to do is replace the capacitor. You are right. We must replace the capacitor. Then the air conditioning efficiency will increase. Pirating magic! The capacitor is here. Lock the screw. Connect the wire. Winter test is good. Then we can install the cover right now. In this case, the evaporator and the compressor is good. It can be used for many years. Fixed frequency air conditioner is really durable. Maybe 20 or 30 years. But will you hire a mechanic for repairs after years of use? You will buy a new one, and usually, if you can't, replace the capacitor by yourself. Hey, my man, look at this. We met this. My friend has connected again. Try a few more times and you will succeed. If you have no time to try, subscribing to Pirate King Studio can also improve your repairability and creativity. Subscribe to share and like. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.